Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the audio is not working on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So let's start without wasting our time. First of all, you need to open the control panel, and once you open the control panel, you need to go to category and select here the large icons. Once you select here the large icons, you need to go to the sound option. So find the sound. You should able to see the sound option anywhere on your computer. Just find that, click on sound option, and once you click on sound option, you should able to see your speaker here. If speaker is disabled like this, it is down, you need to right click on it. As you can see, it has also become the no device is installed. Just right click on it and simply enable this. Once you enable this, also you need to click that option, go to its properties and go to labels and make sure it is not muted. Just click on this option, okay, and then go to enhancement, disable all enhancement. Just click this option, click on apply, click on OK, and once you click on apply OK, you should able to see your audio is working or not. You can go to advanced, then you can check the option here and it should work. Also do the same setting with as well the mic option and make sure it is not muted as well. So this is the first setting. Okay, now let's move on to the step number 2. Since we are on this page, so open the device manager here. Once you open the device manager, go to audio inputs and sounds and go to speaker. Just right click on it, update driver, and simply update the driver. If it is showing already installed, just close this, right click, and this time choose browse my computer for drivers, then this option. Now choose here the high definition or Realtek driver, whatever you have. Just select that option and click on next. I'm selecting here this option and then click on OK. Also go to sound and audio and video controller here, this option, and do the same setting with here as well. So this is the setting number 2 guys. If this is also unable to fix your issue, let's move on to the step number 3 now. In the step number 3 guys, we will check the audio service is running or not. So just you need to go on the search bar, type as services, and simply open the services at administrator and click anywhere on it and press W on your keyboard and look for Windows audio service. Make sure it is running. If not, right click, go to its properties, choose startup type to automatic. If it is stopped like this, as you can see it is muted, you need to start it, apply, OK. If it is already running like this, just restart it once. By this way it will refresh the setting here and your issue will be fixed. If this is also unable to fix your issue guys, we have the last fix for you, that is the driver install. So driver install, either you can go to check for update here, okay, sometime older update, or if you have recently installed your Windows, so that time you need to check for update, download all the updates here, download and install, and after that your audio driver will be automatically downloaded. If this is also unable to fix your issue, so we have the manual way to install the driver for you guys. Just open the Google Chrome or any browser which you use and search, type here, let's say you are using the Dell laptop or system, Dell driver. If you are using Lenovo, just type these two keywords and open the CMD normal and type here this command WMIC space BIOS WMIC CS space product. This is the command, but we can also try the command wmic bios get serial number, and I'm using here the virtual machine. That is the reason it is not showing up here, but just you need to paste it here and then click on search. Let me show you the example of the serial number HP driver. Physically you can also check your computer, laptop, and this is the product detail. You can see here serial number. Just we need to enter here and then click on search, and once you click on search you just need to even you can let's for example I'm choosing here model number. You need to select here the serial number. It will fetch the correct detail according to a serial number, and then go to select drivers, and from the drop down select here the auto driver here. You can even search here Realtek audio, and you can see here the driver. Just click that option and simply download it. So once the driver is downloaded guys, simply you need to run it. Just double click on this and simply install the driver on your computer. Once the driver is installed, you have to restart your Windows, and I'm pretty sure your issue will be fixed after that. If after applying these methods guys your issue is still not resolved, so you can reset your PC or you can reinstall the fresh window before changing the hardware of your system. So these are the fixes to fix the issue guys. I hope your issue is fixed now after applying these methods. If yes, do not forget to like this video, subscribe and share anyone else who needs. So thank you. Thanks for watching.